In this video I will show you how you can remove your deployment on Vercel, or how you can remove your project. So it's same, and all you have to do, you want to go to deployments on the left side, and you are going to need to choose your deployment which you want to remove. So I will select this simple mat body. And now if you want to remove it, you want to go to settings in bottom left corner over here, and you just want to scroll all the way down until you see delete projects. And keep in mind, this will permanently delete this project and all deployments, domains, environment variables, and everything about this project. So if you are sure, you just want to click on delete project, and then you just need to confirm by typing your name of the project and then also delete my project. And now if you click on delete project, it will permanently delete it. So this is how you can delete your deployment on Vercel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.